As of August 2024, Starbucks has a market capitalization of $107 billion and 38,137 stores worldwide. With its inviting atmosphere, personalized service, and wide-ranging menu, Starbucks became synonymous with premium coffee culture, attracting millions of loyal customers. However, in recent years, the company has faced significant challenges that have raised concerns about its long-term sustainability. From shifting consumer preferences to increased competition and economic pressures, several factors contribute to Starbucks' struggles. This video delves into Starbucks' difficulties and explores whether the company can regain its former glory. Starbucks has experienced a decline in sales for the past 2 quarters. Customers are unhappy with high prices, slow order pickups through the Starbucks app, and limited food choices. The company, known for being a fair employer, is now facing challenges with union organizing in response to concerns about working conditions, pay, and benefits. The company's revenue declined by 1.8% in the first quarter of 2024, driven by decreasing same-store sales in the United States and internationally. Starbucks shares have dropped over 17% since the company reported a sales slump. The brand is known for its resilience, but it's clear that things are not normal. Many analysts see the coffee giant as a barometer for consumer spending, which accounts for a significant portion of the nation's economic activity. The company's recent challenges raise a question: is the U.S. economy slowing down, or is there an issue specific to Starbucks? One primary reason Starbucks struggles is the shift in consumer preferences. Today's consumers are more health-conscious, environmentally aware, and selective about the brands they support. The trend towards healthier eating and drinking options has led to a decline in the consumption of sugary and high-calorie beverages, which comprise a significant portion of Starbucks' menu. Frappuccinos, caramel macchiatos, and other indulgent drinks that were once healthier alternatives like cold-pressed juices, plant-based milk, and sugar-free tea now replace Starbucks' best sellers. In response, Starbucks has introduced healthier options, such as oat milk lattes and plant-based protein boxes, but these changes have not fully counteracted the shift. Many consumers now seek smaller, local coffee shops offering organic, ethically sourced products, often at lower prices. The rise of third-wave coffee culture, which emphasizes artisanal, high-quality coffee, has also drawn customers away from Starbucks' standardized offerings. Additionally, the growing demand for convenience has seen a rise in the popularity of ready-to-drink coffee products and subscription-based services. These options allow consumers to enjoy their favorite coffee without visiting a Starbucks store. As a result, foot traffic in Starbucks locations has declined, particularly in urban areas where customers have a wide array of choices. Economic pressures have also played a significant role in Starbucks' struggles. The global economy has faced several challenges in recent years, including inflation, supply chain disruptions, and rising labor costs. These factors have made it increasingly difficult for Starbucks to maintain its profit margins while keeping prices affordable for customers. Inflation has increased the cost of raw materials, including coffee beans, milk, and other ingredients. Supply chain disruptions, exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic, have resulted in delays and shortages, further driving up costs. Starbucks has had to raise prices on many of its menu items to cope with these challenges. However, these price increases have yet to be well received by customers, who already feel the pinch of higher living costs. The result has been a decline in sales and customer loyalty. Rising labor costs have also been a significant issue for Starbucks. The company has faced increasing pressure to raise wages, particularly in light of the ongoing labor shortage and the growing demand for better working conditions in the service industry. Starbucks has responded by increasing pay and offering additional benefits to its employees, but this has come at a cost. Higher labor expenses have strained the company's finances, leading to difficult decisions regarding store closures and staff reductions. Starbucks is facing greater competition from rival drive-through coffee chains and boutique coffee shops, as well as from people choosing to make coffee at home. While grocery prices have increased in recent years, they have stabilized this year. However, the cost of dining out continues to rise, adding to Starbucks' reputation as being expensive. The competition in the coffee industry has intensified, with fast food chains like McDonald's and Dunkin' expanding their coffee offerings to challenge Starbucks. They have captured a significant market share by offering quality coffee at lower prices, appealing to cost-conscious consumers, and investing in mobile ordering and drive-through services. In response, Starbucks has introduced new products and services, such as its reserve roasteries and drive-through locations, but has struggled to differentiate itself in an increasingly crowded market. The pandemic further impacted Starbucks, leading to store closures and decreased foot traffic due to remote work. To adapt, Starbucks plans to close underperforming stores and focus on drive-through and delivery services. However, these changes have sparked controversies, including job losses and concerns about the impact on Starbucks' traditional in-store experience and brand identity. The company has recently been involved in negative publicity due to a dispute with the labor union Workers United regarding the Israel-Hamas war. Starbucks filed a lawsuit against the union in October after the labor organization, which represents food service workers, posted a now-deleted message on the X platform expressing solidarity with Palestinians. The message from the union led to calls for a boycott of Starbucks, as some people mistakenly thought the union's position reflected that of the company. Despite its challenges, Starbucks remains a powerful brand with a loyal customer base and a global presence. The company's ability to innovate and adapt will be crucial to its recovery and future growth. Starbucks has already addressed some of its issues, such as expanding its digital capabilities, investing in sustainability, and exploring new revenue streams. Digital innovation, particularly in mobile ordering and payment, will be crucial in attracting and retaining customers. While Starbucks' mobile app has been successful, personalization and convenience can be improved. By leveraging data and technology, Starbucks can better understand customer preferences and tailor its offerings to meet their needs. Sustainability is another area in which Starbucks can differentiate itself from competitors. The company has made significant commitments to reducing its environmental impact, such as transitioning to reusable packaging and sourcing ethically produced coffee. By aligning with the values of environmentally conscious consumers, Starbucks can strengthen its brand and build customer loyalty. Finally, Starbucks must continue to evolve its product offerings to meet changing consumer preferences. This could involve expanding its menu to include more healthy and plant-based options and exploring new beverage categories such as cold brew and nitro coffee. Additionally, Starbucks may need to rethink its store format and design to better cater to the post-pandemic consumer who values convenience and safety. Starbucks is undoubtedly facing significant challenges, from changing consumer preferences and economic pressures to increased competition and operational difficulties. However, the company's strong brand, global reach, and history of innovation provide a solid foundation for recovery. By addressing its current issues and adapting to the evolving market, Starbucks has the potential to overcome its struggles and maintain its position as a leader in the global coffee industry. The road ahead will not be easy, but with the right strategies, Starbucks can continue to thrive in the years to come. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.